Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's be honest, most of us only think about insurance when we have to. A car accident, a hospital bill, a death in the family. That's when reality hits. And suddenly everyone's asked, do we have insurance? Will this be covered? Who do we call? If you have ever been in that moment, confused, helpless, and financially stressed, then you know insurance is not optional, it's protection. But in India, insurance is either misunderstood, missold, or ignored. People buy policies they do not need, or worse, skip the ones that could have saved them lakhs. This video is your no nonsense guide to insurance in India. Hey, wait a second. Before we dive into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you will get notified whenever I upload valuable finance content. Alright, let's jump into the video. This video is your no nonsense guide to insurance in India, explained in plain language with real examples and actual policy suggestions you can trust. We will also cover number 1, term life to secure your family's future. Number 2, health insurance because medical costs are brutal. Number 3, motor insurance for both cars and bikes and what things like sum assured, premiums, riders and claims actually mean. By the end, you won't just know about insurance, you will know exactly what to buy, what to avoid, and how to protect your life the smart way. Let's begin with the most important type, term life insurance. Imagine you are the main income earner in your family. If something happened to you tomorrow, would your parents, spouses, or kids be financially okay? That's exactly what term life insurance protects against. It's the simplest, purest form of insurance. You pay a small premium every year, and if you pass away during the policy term, your family gets a big payout, called the sum assured. No investment, no maturity returns, just protection. And because there is no investment part, it's super affordable. For example, a healthy 30-year-old can get 1 crore cover for as low as 700 to 1000 per month. That's less than what most people spend on food delivery in a week. But it can completely protect your family's future. So, what should you look for in a good term plan? Number 1, high claim settlement ratio above 97%. Number 2, option to add on riders like critical illness. Number 3, flexibility to increase coverage as you grow. Number 4, trusted name and clear claim process. I have one real policy recommendation, Axis Max Life Smart Secure Plus. This one is great flexibility, good track record, and trusted by lakhs of Indians. Small recap, term life insurance is equal to peace of mind for your family. If someone depends on your income, you need it. One hospital visit, that's all it takes to drain your years of savings. Medical inflation in India is brutal. A simple surgery can cost 1 to 2 lakhs, ICU bills can cross 10 lakhs, and even basic hospital stays easily cost 50,000 or more. This is where health insurance becomes a lifesaver, literally and financially. It covers your medical expenses, that is, hospital stays, surgeries, treatments, tests, even some pre and post hospitalization cost depending on the policy. But here's what most people get wrong. They think their employer health cover is enough, it usually is not. Or they buy the cheapest plan without reading the fine print. A good health insurance plan should offer number 1, at least 10 to 15 lakhs sum assured for individuals. Number 2, cashless network hospitals. Number 3, lifetime renewability. Number 4, few restrictions on room rent or disease wise limits. These are the things a good health insurance plan should offer. And are you want a real solid policy? I have a recommendation. Star Health, Family Health Optima, or Care Health, Care Supreme plans offer great family coverage, wide range hospitals, and fast claims. Small recap, Health insurance is equal to financial armor against rising medical costs. Get it yearly, renew it forever, and understand your cover. Don't wait for a health crisis to realize what you should have done sooner. If you own a car or bike in India, insurance is not just a good idea, it's legally mandatory. But here's what many people don't realize, just having third party insurance, the one required by law, is not enough. Yes, third party cover pays for damage you cause to others. But what about your own vehicle? The repairs, the theft, the natural disasters? That's where comprehensive motor insurance step in. It covers number 1 accidents, number 2 theft, number 3 fire or flood damage, number 4 vandalism, number 5 even personal accident cover for you as the owner. And the best part, the yearly premium for two-wheelers is often under 1000. For cars, it starts around 3000 to 5000 depending on the make. A good motor insurance policy offers easy claim process, fast settlement, roadside assistance, cashless garage nearby. Are you looking for a solid fix? For car, Bajaj Allianz car insurance, it have wide garage network, adds-on like engine product. For bike, ACKO two-wheeler insurance, it's digital first, super fast claim process, very affordable. Small recap, don't just meet legal rules, protect your vehicles, time, and peace of mind. Whether it's your bike or car, always go for full coverage. Let's clear up two terms that confuse almost every first time insurance buyer. Number 1, sum assured. This is the amount the insurer pays you or your family. Number 2, premium. The amount you pay the insurer every year or month. Sounds simple, but here's where people mess it up. They buy too little cover to save on premiums. For example, you earn 50,000 per month and buy a term life policy for just 10 lakh. That money won't even last 2 years for your family. Here's a better rule. For life insurance, 15 to 20x your annual income. For health insurance, 10 lakh to 15 lakh per family member, especially in cities. For motor insurance, enough to cover the full cost of repair or replacement. And remember, your premium depends on your age, your health, the coverage amount, adds-on or riders you include. It's tempting to go cheap, but if your coverage is too low, your policy becomes useless when it matters most. Small recap, your sum assured should cover the worst case scenario, your premium should fit your budget, but never at the cost of being underinsured. Think of riders like toppings on a pizza. Optional, but sometimes they complete the whole deal. In insurance, riders are add-ons or extra benefits you can attach to your base policy for a small additional cost. Let's say you have a term life plan. With a critical illness rider, if you are diagnosed with cancer or heart disease, the insurer pays out immediately even before death. With an accidental death rider, your family gets extra money if your death was due to an accident. A premium waiver rider means if you become permanently disabled, your future premiums are waived, but your cover stay intact. In health insurance, useful add-ons include room rent waiver, no restrictions, no room type, OPD cover for doctor visits and medicines, maternity cover if you plan to start a family. Small recap, riders is equal to small extra cost, big time benefit. Choose based on your age, lifestyle and health crisis. Don't ignore them, they are often the most valuable part of your policy. Buying insurance is just step 1. The real value shows when you need to claim, and that's where many people get stuck. Let's break down how the claim process actually works and how to make sure your claim does not get rejected. For life insurance, if the policyholder passes away, nominee submit the claim form, attach document, death certificate, ID proof, policy copy. The insurer verifies everything. If approved, the payment comes within 7 to 15 working days. Pro tip, always declare all health conditions honestly at the time of purchase. Most rejections happen due to false info. For health insurance, there are two types. Number one, cashless. Number two, reimbursement. Cashless means you get treated in a network hospital and the insurer pays directly. Reimbursement means you pay first, claim later with bills. To avoid delays, use network hospitals. Call the insurer's helplines as soon as you are admitted. Keep copies of every document. Number 1 insurers know for smooth claims. Tata AIG for health, Max Life for term insurance, ACKO for car or bike. Small recap, read your policy, keep document ready and act fast. The smoother your info, the faster your claim. Let's quickly recap what we have learned. Term life insurance for pure protection of your family, health insurance to shield you from brutal medical cost, motor insurance legally required and your best defense against repair expenses, sum assured and premium, how to choose coverage that actually matters, riders or add-ons, powerful extras for real life situation, claim process, the part you must understand to get paid when it counts. You know now more about insurance than most people ever will. But knowledge means nothing unless you act on it. So here's your plan. Check if you have the right coverage, not just any coverage. Priorities term plus health insurance as your base. Avoid junk policies with flashy returns. Stick to real protection. Always declare your info honestly and save your policy detail securely. Your future is unpredictable, but your protection does not have to be. If this video made insurance simple for you, like it, share it with someone who still thinks insurance is a scam, and hit subscribe for more finance clarity made for real life. Now you know what to buy, go get protected. Thanks for watching and see you again.